Hi everyone, this is Billy from Keewin Display. It's nice to be here in Orlando InfoComm 2025. So I'll show you around about our outdoor kiosk. This one is 55-inch outdoor kiosk with fan cooling system inside. It is an entry-level model. And this red one is very popular in the US market. It is for drive-through application. So for this model, we have 1x1, 1x2, and 1x3 solutions for your option. And this one is 65-inch double-sided with touch screen on the surface. And this one is for high-end applications, including all kinds of customer modules inside. Thanks for your watching. Our website is www.keewindisplay.com.